Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials how to sketch dimension edit. I will go to part design, click start to sketch and choose top plan. As example, I will create a rectangle and we draw a circle in it. Now we can set a dimension in this line object into 20. For width we set into 12. For radius or diameter in the circle I will set into 7, and the stand from this point into here set to 5, and also in this point we set into 5. Now if you want to edit this dimension sketch, you can double click and it will be show for edit dimension dialog box. You can tap like 15, click OK. Now it will be automatically change the dimension. You also can edit for the height in here. This stand like we set into 7, and also in here we set into 7. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorials how to sketch dimension edit. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.